Installation: you will need a screwdriver and flat trim tool. We will start by locating the upper tail light and lower tail light located in the rear of the vehicle. There are 4 screws and 3 clips that will need to be removed. Use a screwdriver or drill to remove screws. Then use the flat trim tool to pop out the housing and disengage the 3 clips. You will require to align clips upon reinstallation as well as the screw openings. Locate all 3 sockets, upper tail light, lower tail light and brake light sockets. We will start with upper tail light. Twist socket counterclockwise and pull out. Remove the incandescent light bulb and install the new ALA Lighting T10 LED light bulb. Next, remove the lower tail light socket by twisting counterclockwise. Remove the incandescent light bulb and install the new ALA Lighting T10 LED light bulb. Be sure to test the lights before installing back into housing. To reinstall sockets back in housing, light up the tabs, insert socket into housing and twist clockwise. Next, locate the brake light socket, twist counterclockwise and pull out. Hold and press down on bulb, twist counterclockwise and pull out bulb to remove. Insert new ALA Lighting LED bulb, be sure to align side notches. If doesn't fit correctly, remove the bulb and flip 180 degrees, reinsert the bulb and twist clockwise to lock bulb and socket. Test the new LED light. This is the LED in tail light mode. And this is our strobe model and will flash 3 times then stay solid light while brake is engaged. Align the tabs on the socket to the housing. Insert socket and twist clockwise to lock. Put back tail light assembly and align the clips and screw openings. Snap in the 3 clips and insert screws back in opening. Use screwdriver or drill. Next is the other side, passenger side. We will repeat the same steps. Remove screws with drill or screwdriver. Using the trim tool, pull out assembly. First, locate upper tail light socket. Twist counterclockwise and pull out. Remove the incandescent light bulb and install the new ALA Lighting LED bulb. Repeat the steps for the lower tail light socket. Remove the incandescent light bulb and install the new ALA Lighting LED bulb. Test the LED install sockets back in housing and twist clockwise. Next, remove the brake light socket by twisting counterclockwise and pull out. Hold and press down on bulb, twist counterclockwise and pull out bulb to remove. Insert new ALA Lighting LED bulb, reinsert the bulb and twist clockwise to lock bulb and socket. Test the LED bulb. This strobe model will flash 3 times then stay solid bright light when brake is engaged. Next, align the tail light assembly with the clips and screw openings. Snap in the 3 clips and insert screws back in opening. Use screwdriver or drill tool. These new LED bulbs are significantly brighter than the incandescent bulbs. And the strobe feature is great. Will flash 3 times then stay solid bright when brake is engaged.